working in cattle shit. $76. Yum. If you want to. It's just bending drip edge and pulling screws. Probably won't hurt. Oh, horsefly. Dang. Oh, you missed that fucker.
I hate horseflies.
Oh, this drip edge is gonna be. Because if you could get that one screw, that would be fucking awesome. Holy fuck. Look down that.
Huh?
Look down this.
That's not true. Oh, I think control from the phone and
You sure can. It's on like a swivel. Hi. We do gutter for you. What the fuck? We have to bend your drip edge out first.